I bought that chair about 3 weeks ago at Goodwill. I paid $3 for it. Thought it was a great buy. So the plan is to use it inside the studio. Now, if you've been watching my other videos on my channel, then you know that for this year's haunt, I'm recreating the inside of King Tut's tomb. And so I thought that chair would be a great piece for inside the tomb. So the plan is to simply paint it gold using some spray paint. Once I get it painted gold, I'll probably go back and add some other colors to it, such as this Egyptian blue. I'll probably use some painter's tape and tape off some designs and then paint some blue highlights on it. That's it, very simple. Let me show you a picture of the chair that I'm trying to recreate. That's the chair I want to recreate. Well, I want to kind of make it look like that. I'm not going to do all the details, of course. That's pretty complicated. But that chair, they actually found that inside of King Tut's tomb, and that was his chair. So that's what I'm going to make. Or should I say that's my inspiration for making this chair. There's no way I'm going to make it look like that. That's too complicated. Not going to sand it, just going to paint it. It's early October here in Ohio, and the weather is super nice, so thought I'd take advantage of the nice day, do a little painting. Plus, I'm running out of time. Halloween is less than a month away. I still have a lot to do. This was a really super simple project that I think adds a lot to the Egyptian theme out here. Not because of like anything big design or anything that I did on it, but I think the fact that it's just gold, it kind of stands out, and it just, I think, adds a lot. And it was super simple to do, and you can make this as simple or as elaborate as you want to. So if you're looking for something to add to your Egyptian theme party or Halloween party or event, and you want to do something quick and easy, why not do King Tut's chair? Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Have a question, leave a comment. Until then, talk to you later.